Volkswagen Ireland are celebrating 75 years since the first Beetle was manufactured outside of Germany, right here in Ireland. And the Ballsbridge Beetle, which is that first car that was manufactured outside of Germany, is here today at this absolutely fantastic event at Volkswagen Ireland headquarters. Let me show you around because they've got an absolutely brilliant show on today. First off, I'm pleased to report that my own Beetle made it here fine. Still a little bit spluttery and not driving 100%, it's still getting a bit hot and bothered, but we made the journey and it's actually not that far for me anyway, so definitely had to do the journey. But what a turnout. And we're actually quite lucky with the weather as well, so let's take a wander around and I'll show you some of the cars. Volkswagen Ireland marked 75 years since the very first Irish-built Beetle rolled off the line, and to celebrate they invited classic VW owners from across the country to their Liffey Valley headquarters for a one-of-a-kind gathering. This event brought together an incredible mix of air-cooled Volkswagens, from pristine early ovals to daily driven Beetles, campers and quite a few rare gems you don't see too often on Irish roads. I brought my 1303S along, a car that's been through its fair share of fettling and tuning over the years and plenty of modifications and some tears and problems, as you can imagine, and it was brilliant to see it parked up among so many other enthusiast-owned machines, each one with its own story. But the real showstopper was this, the Ballsbridge Beetle. Built in 1950 in a converted tram depot in Ballsbridge, Dublin, it was the first Volkswagen ever assembled outside of Germany, and very likely the first right-hand drive Beetle in the world. Painstakingly restored and usually housed in Volkswagen's museum in Wolfsburg, the car was loaned back especially for the occasion, and it has been on limited display at the National Museum of Ireland, Collins Barracks. Seeing it in person in Ireland was something genuinely special for me. This is a proper piece of Irish motoring heritage, which ironically isn't normally even in the country.
Okay guys, just a very quick few words on the gentleman to introduce them. That is going to make a small presentation, but from me and from Volkswagen, it has gone beyond our expectations. We knew a lot of yous would show up, but we didn't think we'd fill the place to capacity. Thankfully we didn't turn one person away, but it's amazing what this brand is and what it means to use. We're so proud of it. We're so proud of this singular vehicle that's thankfully come back in our 75th year. But it's not the vehicles that make Volkswagen, it's the people, and you can see that today. The love, passion, stories you tell, everything that you do for our brand. You're our best ambassadors. You talk about our product, you talk about our famous Beetle, our T1, T2s, our Eircooled. It's great to have you together as a family. I'm honoured and delighted. Just a thank you to Cathal for organising this and all the people that are associated with Eircooled. I think you've done an excellent job. And also a huge thank you to my own team. Many of the staff here today are from my own team. Helena is here, Alexia, Natalie, they're all around. They've also done an excellent job in keeping everything going. So guys, after seeing this today, we may do it again in the future. This could even become an annual event. So let's look how we can do it, how we can make it better, and how we can be close to you, because as I said, you are our best ambassadors. We are so proud of it.
We'll hold you to that.
We will. We'll try and do it. That is a promise I will make today, that we will try and do it. And we'll make it even bigger and better. But it's excellent. So, Graham, I think you have a few words and a small presentation to make, so I'll hand over to Graham. Thank you guys, sincerely. Safe journeys, and hopefully Kerry will win.
Yeah, I don't know about that. Right, well, you have to excuse my rustiness. I haven't spoken in front of anybody apart from myself probably for the last 20 years. But it's really cool. I'm always blown away with the help, the advice, the time people give you when it comes to dealing with these old cars, and you know, sometimes the arm around the shoulder when you're feeling at your wit's end. But I think most of you here, certainly if not all, would join in thanking one individual in particular, who I'd say is instrumental in the vast majority of these cars here being on the road, and that's Emilio Macari. If you'd like to come over, Emilio. He'll kill me now. He'll have me in the headlock with it. Come on, I've got a little something for you. We didn't know whether Emilio was going to come today, but I took a chance and got a... Yay, thanks. And I just got a little something for your desk. It's not fancy now, but it's just to say thanks for being there. You've spent hours on the phone, certainly to me, and loads of people, and you've kept the Beetle on the road in Ireland, and that's for damn sure. So thanks, man.
Isn't it? Everybody loves the Beetle. What about Gayborn? He loves the Beetle. He had a little Volkswagen at one time. I know, they're fabulous cars, and it's a pleasure working on them, and I love them as much as you do. All of them, they're just fabulous.
Can't say more. Cheers, man. Man, I'm happy to say is my friend, as well as my, help. All right, thanks lads, cheers. I'm out.
It wasn't just about the cars either. There was a great buzz around the place, owners swapping stories, meeting many familiar faces that I've known for years, and getting to chat to plenty of car enthusiasts with a shared passion for all things Volkswagen. Followers of my channel might recognise this van. I did a review of it a good while ago. Still looking well. Events like this are a reminder that these cars aren't just mechanical things. They're a living link to the past, to shared memories and milestones, and for Irish Volkswagen fans, this was one to remember. Well, as you can see, things are starting to fizzle out here, and I have to say it has been an absolutely fantastic event, and one that hopefully will turn into an annual one, as you heard earlier on there. So we will we'll see what happens there. But yeah, if it is, I'm going to definitely be here again next year, and I hope you guys enjoyed it if you were here. And if you were here, stick a comment below and let me know what you think, or just let me know what you thought of the cars anyway. And I will see you in a future video. Thank you for watching.